All right, here's the big test. Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And this is a little different because we're doing a product review. I don't usually do these. I've done a couple before on my channel, but we're having some fun because this is going to be the Mother's CMX ceramic spray, kind of whatever. I have it right here. We need a couple things before we start. We need shade. I need to pull my car over this way, and then we're ready to get started because my car is completely clean. We did that the other day. So 2 days ago, we did a full paint correction on my car. It was like a one-step thing. It wasn't anything crazy like 3 steps or whatever. There's still some bigger scratches in there, but it got a lot, like most of the micro scratches out. So without further ado, I say we just get right into it. This is pretty easy to apply. If you haven't washed your car before you're gonna do this, make sure to do that. Here it is. So the instructions are pretty clear, pretty easy to follow. It just says spray it on a soft microfiber towel or an applicator, spread it evenly. We're gonna do like cross pattern, left, right, allow a few minutes for it to bond, and then separate clean microfiber to buff off. So I'm not gonna spray the whole hood right now. What I'm gonna do is actually apply this to half the hood so we can get a good comparison. And then we're gonna spray down the entire hood with water and see the beading and yeah, the results. Ooh, Model 3 would be nice. Okay, so we have enough shade actually to get started because the sun is like right here right now, so it's just covering the back of my car. Also, let's take a second to appreciate just how clean this looks after the paint correction. Love it. Anyways, this is completely uncoated. There is no wax, there is nothing on it. This side we're going to do with the Mother's. So it does say to apply this with a microfiber applicator or microfiber towel. What I did to make it easier is just wrap a microfiber brand new around a little box. So that way we can get kind of this motion going and you don't have to buy an applicator from the store. Yeah, it's kind of ghetto, but we're making it work, it's whatever. So we're just gonna spray this on. It's kind of hard to do with no hands. Let's get started on the hood. Go to wide angle, show you everything I'm doing here. All right, I just coated this entire front half of the hood, so all I have to do now is wait a couple minutes per the instructions and then buff it off with a clean separate microfiber. So you're gonna get this hazing, and that's exactly what we want. That means it's doing its job. And then I'd wait about 2 minutes. Like I said, exactly about half here. So we'll get the before and after. All right, hitting you with the wide angle again. That's what we like. That's what it's supposed to be. All right, the whole right side is buffed off, so you can't really tell a huge difference in shine, obviously, just because paint is so clean and so perfect right now, but we really have a really mirror finish. Like if I was just holding my phone right here, it literally looks like we're looking at trees right now, and it's looking gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is fire up the hose, spray this down, and then we can really see the difference. All right, here's the big test. Dang, that's actually really good. You can definitely tell a difference where we sprayed and applied and where we didn't. So again, here's the side that we did not apply the CMX on, and then here's the side that we did. Obviously, it's a huge difference. I'm sorry, again, I don't have a tape line, but like I said, the right side is obviously, look at that beading. That is nice. I do really like this stuff. So what I'm gonna do is get a couple more of these shots because, wow. And then I'm going to apply this to the entire car and then show you guys kind of a final shine and spray down the car a bit so we can see a little more of this action. Well, here's the final product. Finished the entire car. It took quite a long time, not gonna lie. So if you're preparing to do this yourself, make sure to budget a couple of hours and muster up some energy because it is kind of a pain to buff off, not gonna lie. I love the color of my car and I love when it's clean. This is literally the cleanest and shiniest the paint has ever been. I just don't want it ever to rain again. Unfortunately, it is not likely, but even got the carbon fiber looking shiny. This stuff is cool. Hope we got enough of the water beading test and footage for you guys earlier in the video. This is just kind of the shine and finished product, so I'm super happy with it. It looks really, really cool. As always, link will be in the description for all products used in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like. If you hated it, leave a dislike. Sorry for the road noise in the background. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We're close to 1,200 subscribers. That's a pretty cool milestone. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.